All right, welcome to the live show, guys. You're welcome, welcome. Let's look at what we have here today. Okay, so currently this is what I'm looking at. I just posted it on the Telegram. Okay, so if you are joining right now, you can actually short this with market order. I entered this trade at 5.9. So yeah, you can still enter the trade. It's a short trade for me. Okay, it's a short setup for me, guys. All right, it's a short setup for me right now. Right, so yesterday we were looking at the LPT token, right? So one of you recommended that we look at the LPT token. We look at LPT yesterday, and then we're looking at the 618 level, which is exactly where we had that bounce. All right. So this bounce, we had that bounce at the 618 level to the upside, guys. So we had that bounce, the rejection at the 618 level to the upside, and currently we are at the 200-day moving average. Okay, so the 200-day moving average is serving as support, resistance right now. Okay, it's not support yet because the candle has not closed yet. This particular 4 hours candle I'm looking at will close in the next 1 hour 40 minutes. All right, so in the next 1 hour 40 minutes. But why that is going on, guys, is a short for me. Okay, so you can enter this trade with enter with market order right now, short this with market order, and let's see how that goes. All right, so currently my entry for this particular trade is here. Let me see. My own entry was 5.9. So if you want to wait to enter that 5.9, you can do that. All right, I believe some of you might have entered at 5.94, 5.95, and all of that. So that is my entry, and then I'll be targeting the first Fibonacci retracement tool, which is the 23.6 level. Okay, the 23.6 level is what I want to target. Maybe when we get there, we can adjust our entry, and then we can target up to the 50% level. All right, we can keep targeting up to the 50% level. Now, this all depends on how long, okay, how patient you are and how long you are ready to stay in the market. All right. My entry was there, so let's see how that happens. All right. So if we get to this area here, then we can adjust 5.3. We can adjust our stop loss, okay, to our entry, and then maybe or even to the 200-day moving average. We can adjust our stop loss to like 5.7 or 5.6, and we continually trail the market until maybe if we retrace this back down there. Okay, so in case we broke above this level we are currently looking at right now, okay, we have another level up there at 7.2. okay, in case we break this level of this 5.8, 5.9 we are looking at currently, we have another level up there at 7.2. okay, so pay attention to that in case we break this level. Once we start closing above this 200-day moving average, guys, once we start closing above this 200-day moving average, then I'm going to be taking a trade to the upside and targeting that next level at 7.2. All right, so that's exactly what we are looking at for the LPT token. This is a trade right now running in profit. Okay, running in profit depending on your entry. This trade right now is running in profit. So what you can do for me, guys, is to use the comment section. Okay, so use the comment section and let me know any of the token that you want me to look at. All right, if there is any token you want me to look at, just use the comment section and let me know. Then we can look at that token together. Okay, so while that is going on, all right, basically the Bybit trading competition is still ongoing. All you just need to do is to go to the description of this video, guys. Okay, go to the description of this video and then use the second link here. The first link will be to sign up for a Bybit account in case you don't have an account with Bybit already. And the second link will be to join the trading competition. The trading competition will be ending sometime, let's say a few days from now. Okay, so you can still join right now and be a part of those who will share the $8 million that Bybit is actually giving out. All right, so be a part of those who will share in the $8 million. All right. So yeah. Keep your comment coming. Keep your comment coming. Let's see what's going on, guys. Let's see what's going on. All right. So give a video a like. Give the video a like, guys. Give the video a like. If you're just joining up, give the video a like. So trying. Yes, this is it. Okay, this is the trading competition, guys. Go ahead and join my squad. Let's see how we can make it. Okay, how we can make it. Currently, our ranking is around 53. We need to be among the top 10. Okay, to actually go home with some money, we need to be among the top 10, guys. Go ahead and join the trading competition for the Bybit. All right. Okay, so with that being said, let me take a look at your comments, and then we can, gradually be taking them one after the other. Okay, so yeah, your comments, keep them coming. Any token you want us to look at, guys, just let me know, and then I'll go ahead and look at that with you this morning. So LPT token, whoever takes this trade, okay, share your PNLs with me on the Telegram, okay? Whenever we give signals here and you take the trade, always share your PNL with me on Telegram, okay? Always share your PNL with me on Telegram, guys. Make sure that you always share your PNL with me on Telegram. So I'll take a look at all the trades that you have here. But first, before we go into that, I want to give a shout out to Cherry Packs. Okay, Cherry Packs. Just joined my membership level 1. Okay, level 1 is just $1. So if you click on the join button option here, okay, we have the basic level, and then we have the advanced level. Okay, so this is just less than $1, all right, and then this other one. Okay, so I just got Cherry Packs. Whoever you are, I want to appreciate you, okay, for actually doing that, joining my membership. I believe that we can do a lot together in the membership level. So thank you so much for considering to join my membership. Okay, Cherry, I do appreciate. All right. Okay, yeah, good morning, everyone. Good morning, and welcome to the live show. Franklin wants us to look at XLM. Okay, yeah, let's go to XLM and see what that token has for us right now. XLM USDT. I think we looked at this yesterday. Let's look if setup has played out. Okay, yeah, look at where we are right now. All right, so we are still up there. We've not come back down to that level, our entry. Okay, that level of taking a trade to the upside. I want to see us reject at this area. So SLM has been, just there. Right now, I'm not doing anything. I will let this play out, okay? These are the levels I'm looking at to take a trade to the upside. Okay, I'm looking at taking a trade here, or if we get back down to this level. Okay, those are the two levels I'm looking at taking a trade to the upside. So if this plays that is exactly where I will be entering a trade to the upside. So yeah, that is exactly what I'll be doing. Okay, Franklin, that's what I'll be doing for XRP. It seems you trade these tokens very often. Okay, you're always looking at SRP. Always, yeah, SRP is a long for me, guys. Okay, it is a long for me right now. If you want to remember, we put this horizontal level yesterday. So you can pick a quick trade right here on SRP or wait for it. Our entry is still at that 0.6167, okay? Entry for SRP is still at that 0.6167. So allow it to play out, all right? So if I go to the 15 minutes time frame, yeah, just allow that to come to the entry level, okay? Though we've been, within this horizontal level right now, but my main entry will be at that 0.61, okay, 6167, right? So let it play down and come down to this level, then you can be taking a trade to the upside. That is exactly what I personally will be doing, okay, for SRP, okay? That is exactly what I personally will be doing for SRP, okay? Yeah, so let's get it rolling. Okay, the next one you want us to look at is Litecoin. So let's look at Litecoin and see what's possible. Okay, guys. So yeah, we're looking at this entry yesterday, though it didn't play out, right? So we pick that trade and then back up there, and we broke that level. So we are back to this range. We are back to this range right here. So currently, if I go, let me check a higher time frame and see what's possible with this. Okay, so this setup is no longer valid for us for the Litecoin trade. Okay, yeah, we've been ranging between here, and here. Okay, the major level is down here at $81. All right, $81 is our major level. So for Litecoin currently, what I'll be looking for, okay. So if you have noticed when we broke this level down there, then you would have taken a short trade and all of that. But currently, if I should enter a trade for Litecoin, there are two levels I'm looking at entering a trade right now, okay? Is it that we consolidate in this area for a while, I will enter a trade here, right? And maybe target that level while we consolidate there within that level, okay? And then my major level for a long trade setup will be down here, okay? My major level for a long trade setup will be down there. if Litecoin comes down to this level, then I can be targeting to as high as that level up there. All right. So these are the two scenarios I'm looking at. If we come down to this level, I'm taking a trade here to the upside. If we break above that, I'm taking a trade to the upside. Then if we come down to this level, I'm taking a trade to the upside. So I'm just looking at, long setup and all of that. Okay. I'm looking at long setup and all of that. But if with this continue to come down, right? If we see something like this coming down and then break below this level, then you should be targeting a sell trade from here down to that area. Okay. So your short setup will be anything from, down there. Anything from down here, okay, to the downside will be your setup for a short trade. All right. This is what I personally will be looking at for Litecoin. All right. So just let them play out and then you go ahead and, trade them accordingly. Okay. So the next token there is ATA USDT. Let's look at that and see what's possible. Guys, if you love what we are doing here, okay, smash that like button. All right. Smash the like button, guys. All right. Smash that like button. Let's get more likes. Let's get more likes. Okay. I need you to smash the like button, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, Prince Vincent. Thank you, everyone. I do appreciate you. All right. So yeah, for ATA, this is a newly listed token, right? It was newly listed on the futures market, and I can't really see any good setup for this. All right, let me check. Okay, let me check what's currently going on, how much is going on into, because right now there's no volume. Okay, you can see that whatever is in the market, whether it's dumping or is moving, is not bad. Had that volume here when the token was newly listed, the activities we had that spike and all of that here. But right now it seems a lot of money have left the market. Okay, so if I check ATA, let's see ATA. Yeah, so I wouldn't be trading this token, okay? We have only $199,000, all right? So it's not even up to $1 million. So I will not be trading this token. Right now, I don't see any setup for this token, for this particular trade, okay? So I can't trade this because whatever movement is doing here is not backed by any volume. So yeah, Franklin, ATA is no-go area for me, okay? So that you don't go get stuck there and all of that. All right, Prince Vincent, hope you shorted, you entered the trade already. Before I went live, I actually posted it, okay? Actually posted it on the Telegram. So if you saw that, you would have shorted already, okay? Yeah, welcome everyone. LPT, yes, let's look at it again and see if that trade is still going well for us. Okay, yeah, mine is a bit above my entry level. You can still enter this trade, okay? Guys, you need to be patient, right? If you enter this trade, you need to be patient, okay? You need to be patient, and then you can even target at that 5.6, 5.7 level as your take profit level, okay? So you can still enter the trade with market order, guys. You can still enter the trade with market order, right? It's the short trade for me, guys. I'll just hold on to it until it comes to 5.7 or even up down to $5. Okay, or even down to $5. Let's see how that goes. All right. So yes, you can still enter LPT right now. Okay. Yes, you can still enter LPT right now. And if you are smart enough, what you can do is, be entering when you are like in 5% profit, you close and then re-enter the trade again. And you can enter this trade as many, you can scalp this token as many times as possible. All right. When you enter, is in profit, it comes down, you close it, enter in profit, comes down, you close it, and all of that. Okay. You can scalp this trade as as many times as you want. All right. So yep. BNT. Okay, let's look at BNT USDT. BNT USDT. I think that token was equally newly listed, right? So it was newly listed in the market as well. So let's look at what it's currently doing right now. Look at that. So BNT already had its own dumps. BNT already dumped from when it was listed. Remember, I think, was it BNT we looked at yesterday, right? I told us that it would definitely dump, right? So look at that. It actually played that, right? After it was listed, it was pumping, and right now it dumped as well. So for now, because we are just at this level, so we use it as our support level, guys. Okay. So we use it as a support level. Let's hope that this actually bounces from here to the upside, okay? So you can take a quick short long trade for BNT to the upside, all right? So you can take a quick long trade to the upside, and let's see if that plays out. For BNT, let me equally check if there is money in BNT. BNT. Yes, BNT has over, yes, guys, enter a long trade, okay, with over $114 million. I don't know what that token is all about, but this has a lot of volume, okay, a lot of, money in it. So it means that any moment from now, this token can actually pump, all right? Any moment from now, this token can pump. So just take a quick long. Let's say you enter there, and then you can use a very low leverage with tight stop loss, okay? So for BNT, Prince Vincent, I equally join in long in this trade. So let's go. Let me go ahead and add this to my watch list and see. After the live show here, I'll go ahead and see, set up for that. All right. So with over 114 million, right, in the past 24 hours, all right, in this with particular trade, it means that something fishy is happening here. Okay. So we may have that sudden pump to the upside and all of that. I don't know. Okay, so I see this as a liquidity grab, this as well, and all of that. So take positions right now before you can enter with market order, or just wait for it to come back down there to that level, and then you can enter a trade to the upside. Okay, this will consolidate. There are two scenarios that will happen here, which is why you need to use tight stop loss. Okay, this may continue to dump, or from here we reverse to the upside, because right now I see that we are back to where we were. So it means that yeah, you can enter with market order, or gradually just, whatever you want to do. So I will see if I can raise $100 in that trade and see what happens for BNT. Okay. That LPT, sir, please, can we short? Yes, I said that. Okay. LPT is going down already. So for those of you who entered at 5.94, 5.97, you should be in profit right now. Okay. So yeah. Bello, okay, will it make it the 7 point? Sorry, Bello, can you let me know? I don't know when you say will it make, will it still make the 7.0? Is it the LPT you are referring to? I'm not sure yet. Okay, which is why I say enter a short trade with with market order. Okay, from this level to that $7 level is still very far. Okay, look at this. All right, so if you want to enter a trade from the current market price to this level, that is over 20% move. All right, I don't see this moving that high. LPT has already done like 20 something percent, right? Where's that LPT stuff? LPT is already up by 30%. Okay, so going up by another 20% will be, I don't see that possibility. It will go up, but not immediately. All right, it will definitely go up to that area if more money continue to come into the market. Okay, it will definitely, for LPT, we have over $70 million in that, in that market on the Bybit exchange. Okay, so if it continues to go up, all right, it can go up, but right now we need to pull back to, down there. So if you entered at that 5.9, you should be in profit right now. Okay, so make sure that you are securing your profit, and you can do this again and again and again and again. Okay, guys. All right. So yeah, basically that is for the LPT trade, and yes, maybe that will be our best trade for today. Okay, scalp that trade as often as you can, but don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy, because once your greed comes in and you start expecting more than you should, okay, more than you should, you'll be in trouble. Okay, yes. And then maybe some of you will want to use like 50x leverage, 100x leverage. Please be careful. Just be careful. Okay, you can do whatever you want, but be careful, guys. Right, be careful. Right. So for BNB, once again, a big shout out to Cherry Packs. Okay, whoever you are, I do appreciate you for joining my membership. Okay, so thank you so much for considering to dedicate at least $1 to support my YouTube channel every day. Right, that keeps us going and keeps us always going live every now and then. All right, so yeah, okay, yeah, Classy want us to look at BNB. Let's look at BNB and see what's there. BNB USDT. Guys, smash that like button, okay? Smash that like button so that we can get to as many persons as possible, okay? Smash that like button. Yeah, currently, so if you took this setup for BNB yesterday, That is exactly what is playing out right now. Okay, for those of you who took this setup, remember we say when we break below this area, we want to do what? Take a trade down there at 241. Okay, so currently the price is at 240. Let's see if that plays out. All right, so I will allow this trade to play out. Okay, so it's a short setup for me for the BNB trade. So if this plays out, the next level we're looking at the long trade will be at that level of 237 or 236. Okay, that is where you should be looking at entering a long trade. So right now, let the short trade play out. For those of you who took this trade or who actually set limit orders when we looked at this yesterday, fine. Okay, you can wait for this to play out. Then your long setup, all right? If you are not in this trade already, don't bother. Just wait for the long setup. So the long setup will be if BNB gets down to 237, okay, 237 or even 236 and all of that. Those levels are the areas you'll be looking at taking a long trade to the upside. Okay, so that is exactly what I personally will be looking at for the BNB trade. That is exactly what I personally will be looking at for the BNB trade. Okay. All right. Okay. So the next trade there, yeah, Gray want us to check Solana. Okay. So let's check Sol. I think we had some setup on Solana yesterday. So let's see what Solana is currently doing here. Yeah, we're rejecting at that level, right? So we're rejecting at that level right now. For Sol, guys, is a quick shot for me. Okay. Solana, can we take a quick shot to maybe around this level right here? Okay, we'll take a quick shot to around $24.1. What's the possibility that this will get back there? Okay, let's see higher time frame. What's the possibility? BTC is currently at that 29,400. What's the possibility that Solana will get down to that level, guys? Okay, we've been in this area for a while now. So yeah, it's a short setup for me now. 4.6, okay, 24.6. Let's see if I can enter that trade with market order right now. So I'll be targeting, if I enter a short trade on Solana right now, if I decide to short Solana right now, my next target would be this level here at, so I'll just short Sol. Let's say we'll enter here, then we'll just target there, okay? That will give us like, you know, yeah, a 1.7, okay, that is a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, okay? Yeah, 1 to 2 would be good, right? So your take profit will be at 24.1, or you can still, wait for the market to continue to go down and all of that, right? So yeah, if you enter Solana right now, you can start waiting for the market to go down there, and let's see if that plays out, okay? So for Sol, let's do a quick shot for that as well. Okay, smash that like button, guys. Okay, if you love what we are doing here, smash that like button. All right, smash that like button, and let's see. Okay, so for Sol, let me just do like a market order right now. Just give me a moment, guys. All right. So yeah. How is LPT going? Somebody should let me know. Is that trade still going well? How is LPT? LPT. Okay, so yeah, that's have been set up. Let's see what happened with that. Okay, so yeah, if you're in profit and you close the LPT trade, you can still re-enter again, right? You can still re-enter again. That is exactly what I'm looking at, right? So if you enter that trade, right, and re-enter again, maybe when it gets to $6 or thereabout. So re-enter the trade again, short it again, keep shorting this trade, but don't be greedy, guys. Once it goes down by 2-3%, you close it and then re-enter. It goes back down and all of that. Okay, so yeah, for Sol, yeah, that is what Shiba Inu USDT. Okay, so let's look at Shiba as well. SHIB, that is, yeah, I think it's SHIB 1000. So Shiba Inu right now, guys, it's going to be a short a short setup for me, guys. So for SHIB, okay, there are two levels I'm looking at for Shiba Inu right now. Okay, two levels I'm looking at, but I will enter with the current market order right now for a short trade. Okay, I will enter with current market order for a short trade. Remember, after we pumped this way, we came back and bounced at that 718 level, right? So we came and bounced at that 718 level, and then SHIB continued to move up to the upside here. So the next level, we want this to come back to this level back here, okay? But there are other levels we should be looking at. If I go to the daily time frame, okay, there are higher levels that you should be looking at, but currently we're just in between the daily time frame. So if we continue to sustain above this daily, let me remove this so that I will see clearly. If we continue, yeah, because we've been closing, all right, all these other candles have been closing above the 200-day moving average. Then if this momentum continues to go up, remember, this movement is actually backed by volume. We have a lot of volume, all right, supporting that. If this continues to go up, okay, the next level we should be looking at for Shiba Inu will be those area of 11 cent, all right? Those area of that is 0.011, all right, and all of that. So those areas are the areas we'll be looking at for the next move for Shiba Inu. But currently, what I'm looking at is I see a bit of rejection at this level, okay? I see a bit of rejection at this level, the current price where it is trading right now, maybe to around the 200-day moving average before we bounce back up again and all of that. All right. So it's going to be a quick shot for me for Shiba Inu. All right. Just look for like a 10 to maybe a 10 to 15% move in the market. All right. So if we come down back to around maybe 97, that is 0.097 or thereabout, you should be taking profit and be looking for more trades. But if we come down to the 200-day moving average, guys, it should be a long setup to the upside. And then that long setup will be to target that area of 0.011. All right, 0.011 and all of that. So yeah, Shiba Inu is a quick scalp trade to the downside for me. Okay, so that's exactly what I'll be looking at for Shiba Inu right now. All right, so yeah, okay, yeah, you're welcome. Okay, I have shorts in BTC at 29,600. What should I do? What is the suggestion, sir? Okay, so for BTC, if you shorted at 29,600, you should be in profit already. So what I will advise right now is to secure your profit, okay? Is to secure your profit. That is exactly what I will advise you do. All right. Now we are currently below this my level here. So I don't know. BTC is very funny, kind of you know the movement on BTC can be very funny because if I say right now that we are below this my level of support, okay, or the resistance or thereabout became or the support is now serving as a resistance. So I'm expecting two things to happen. Either BTC continue and come back to this level. This is the area where I want to be looking for a long trade down here. Okay. Or maybe it continues to that next level there. All right. So what I can advise you do, all right, for gray, what I can advise you do is to move your stop loss to your entry. Okay, move your stop loss to your entry in case the market reverses against you, and then still hold on to the trade. Because if this moves down back, there, let's say if BTC move from this current price level here down there to this level, that is additional almost 2% move in the market, which will add up. Okay, maybe if you are using like a 5x leverage, 10x leverage, that is additional 20% move in the market and all of that. Okay, so I will just advise you move your stop loss to the entry and keep holding on to that trade. Let's see how BTC plays out. We are going into the weekend, and a lot of things can happen in the weekend. Okay, during this weekend, Market can dump, market can pump. We don't know. I'm not sure yet what will happen with BTC. So just adjust your stop loss and keep holding. All right, because I see BTC currently, maybe it can pull that back a bit. All right, yeah, because we've been in this area since yesterday after the CPI report and all of that. So we'll be consolidating around this area. So if it gets down to this area, yeah, it's good trade for you and all of that. So keep holding on to the trade, but just make sure that you adjust the stop loss to the entry level. Okay. All right, guys. How's it going? Smash that like button, okay? I need more likes, okay? I need more likes. All right. I need more likes. I'm not seeing clearly all of your comments because my software is actually not very active. I don't know why. Maybe I'll need to restart my system and all of that before we go see all of those. Okay. So for that to happen, we need to call it a day. Yeah, I will still be going live later in the afternoon. Okay. Let me go and see the coins that I will scalp right now for potential profits and all of that. Okay. So guys, that is it for today. If you have questions, okay, you can always use the comment section and all of that to ask your questions, or join the Telegram, guys. Go to the description of the video and then join the Telegram. And then if you want to support the YouTube channel, guys, go ahead and commit, okay? The basic or the advanced package will do, all right? So yeah, links here will be to join the Telegram, and let's do this together. Guys, this stuff will end in 6 days from now, okay? I think 6 days from now, maybe in the next 3 hours, it will turn to 5 days and the rest. So you still need to join you still need to join. I need to be part of this top 10, right? I want to be part of this top 10, all right? So we currently have this person topping the squad right now. Okay, they have made over 400%, and then their expected reward is about $720,000. Okay, $720,000. So we need to make it. Even the least person here, okay, the least person here, is expecting $150,000. All right. The team here is expecting $150,000. Guys, this is an opportunity. Okay, let's assume that my squad become the top leading squad here, and then we get like $1 million. Okay, and $1 million is shared among all of us there, guys. That is a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Okay, so yeah, let's do this. Okay, I believe in you. Let's join the squad. Okay, join the trading competition, and let's see how this can go on. Okay, so yeah, what you can do for me now is, for all of you that took the LPT trade, please, whenever you close your trade, share your P&Ls with me on the Telegram. Okay, share your P&Ls with me on the Telegram, guys. Just click on the share P&L and share that with me on Telegram. All right, that is it for now. Okay, we continue the discussion. All right, the discussion continues on the Telegram, and then until I go live again later this afternoon. Okay, guys, so do have a wonderful day. Have a profitable day. Have a profitable weekend. We see another opportunity later in the afternoon. Let's see how LPT works out. Okay, let's see how it plays out. We'll continue to look at that trade and see how often we can make profit from it. All right. So thank you, and I'll see you guys later in the afternoon. Bye bye. And then smash that